If you're looking for the best Bluetooth speakers of 2025, you're in the right place. From crystal clear sound to impressive durability, we've rounded up the top 5 speakers you need to know about this year. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Zealot S97 Wireless Speaker. The Zealot S97 wireless speaker is designed to take your outdoor music experience to the next level. With a powerful 80-watt output, this speaker delivers impressive sound with rich bass and crystal clear highs, making it perfect for any adventure. Whether you're relaxing by the pool, hosting a party, or enjoying a day at the beach, the Zealot S97 has got you covered. One of the standout features of this speaker is its impressive 16,000 mAh battery. With this large battery capacity, you can enjoy hours of non-stop music, ensuring that your soundtrack never stops. Plus, the fast charging capability means you can quickly recharge the speaker, so you're always ready to go. For an even better listening experience, the Zealot S97 comes with a portable subwoofer. This adds depth and richness to your audio, providing you with a full-range sound that's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. And with its waterproof design, you can take the speaker anywhere without worrying about damage from water or rain. The dual pairing feature allows you to connect 2 Zealot S97 speakers simultaneously, giving you a bigger sound and more immersive experience. Whether you're connecting to your smartphone, tablet, or another Bluetooth-enabled device, the speaker ensures seamless connectivity with a stable signal up to a range of 32 feet. Overall, the Zealot S97 is a powerhouse of sound, durability, and convenience, making it the perfect wireless speaker for any occasion. Number 4. Logitech Wireless Sound Speaker. The Logitech Wireless Sound Speaker, also known as the Logitech UE Wonderboom, offers a truly immersive listening experience with its compact yet powerful design. This portable Bluetooth speaker delivers exceptional sound quality thanks to its 360-degree audio technology. Whether you're hosting a party or just relaxing at home, it fills the room with rich, deep sound from every angle. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, the Logitech wireless sound speaker is designed to withstand the elements, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. It's drop-proof, ensuring durability no matter where you take it. Whether you're by the pool, at the beach, or hiking through rugged terrain, this speaker can handle it all. One of its key features is the subwoofer, which enhances bass performance for a more dynamic and punchy sound. The speaker also comes with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to wirelessly connect your devices for seamless music streaming. Whether you're connecting to a smartphone or tablet, the connection is stable and reliable. Additionally, the Logitech wireless sound speaker is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry with you wherever you go. Its design is sleek and modern, combining both aesthetics and durability, perfect for any music lover seeking a versatile and rugged speaker for all occasions. From crystal clear highs to booming bass, this speaker delivers an outstanding audio experience, whether you're indoors or outdoors. The Logitech wireless sound speaker is ready to elevate your music experience on the go. Number 3. W-King X20 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The W-King X20 Portable Bluetooth Speaker is designed to deliver a massive audio experience that will elevate any gathering. With an impressive 200-watt RMS output, this speaker ensures powerful sound that can fill large spaces, making it perfect for outdoor parties, events, or simply enjoying music in your backyard. One of the standout features of the W-King X20 is its massive bass. The speaker produces deep, punchy bass that brings music to life, providing an immersive listening experience. Whether you're enjoying a favorite track or hosting a party, the Bose is sure to impress. Along with its strong bass, The speaker also delivers clear mids and crisp treble, creating a balanced, high-quality sound that will enhance every note. The W King X20 is built for adventure, with an IPX7 waterproof rating that makes it suitable for all kinds of outdoor activities. Whether you're by the pool, on the beach, or caught in a rainstorm, this speaker will keep playing without a hitch. Additionally, its durable, rugged design ensures it can handle drops and tough conditions. This portable speaker also features Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to pair with your devices for seamless streaming. And with its long-lasting battery life, you can enjoy hours of music without worrying about recharging. Overall, the W King X20 portable Bluetooth speaker is a powerhouse designed to deliver powerful, high-quality sound wherever you go. Perfect for outdoor adventures, parties, and more, it is built to impress. Number 2. Tribit StormBox Blast 2 Bluetooth Speaker. The Tribit StormBox Blast 2 Bluetooth speaker is built to deliver incredible sound with its impressive 200-watt power and subwoofer. Whether you're hosting a party, relaxing outdoors, or enjoying some tunes by the pool, this speaker ensures dynamic, full-range audio that fills any space. The subwoofer adds deep bass, creating a truly immersive sound experience that brings your music to life. Designed for outdoor use, the Tribit StormBox Blast 2 features an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning it can handle splashes, rain, and even brief submersion in water, making it perfect for beach trips, poolside hangouts, or rainy days. With a long-lasting battery that offers up to 30 hours of playtime, you can keep the music going from dusk until dawn without interruption. This speaker also comes with vibrant LED lights that sync with the beat of your music, creating an electrifying visual display that enhances your party atmosphere. Whether you're in a large outdoor space or a cozy indoor setting, the Tribit StormBox Blast 2's sound and light show will take your gathering to the next level. Additionally, the speaker includes a microphone input, allowing you to host karaoke sessions or make announcements at events. With seamless Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily pair your devices and enjoy a stable, high-quality audio experience from a distance. The Tribit StormBox Blast 2 is a versatile, durable, and powerful Bluetooth speaker that brings both excellent sound and entertainment to any occasion. Number 1. Bose SoundLink Max Portable Speaker. The Bose SoundLink Max Portable Speaker is designed to deliver an exceptional audio experience with deep, rich bass and big sound that's sure to impress any crowd. Whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying your favorite playlist, this speaker's powerful sound will fill the space with high-quality music that brings every beat to life. One of the standout features of the SoundLink Max is its portability. The speaker comes with a soft, removable climbing rope handle, making it easy to take the party wherever you go. From beach trips to camping adventures, this speaker ensures that the music follows you no matter where you are. Built for outdoor use, the SoundLink Max is both waterproof and dustproof, with an IP67 rating. You don't have to worry about accidental drops, rain, or dirt, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Plus, it's shock and rust resistant, ensuring durability no matter the conditions. With up to 20 hours of battery life, the SoundLink Max keeps the music going from sunrise to sunset. And if your phone or other devices need charging, the speaker includes a USB-C port that allows you to charge them directly from the speaker's built-in battery. The Bose SoundLink Max also features a built-in 3.5mm AUX input, allowing you to connect a variety of devices such as turntables, CD players, or MP3 players. Plus, with the Bose app, you can easily customize your listening experience, adjusting the EQ settings for perfect sound. There you have it, the top 5 Bluetooth speakers that are dominating 2025. Whether you want something sleek for your home or rugged for your outdoor escapades, There's something on this list for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews.